Welcome back to another edition of Cooking with O. I'm your host, Orlando Wilson. On today's episode, I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes that I got from Cheesecake Factory. If you've been to Cheesecake Factory before, good on you. If you have the opportunity to go and you don't go, shame on you. If you've never been, I feel bad for you, all right? This place is awesome, right? I went to Cheesecake Factory one day, went for brunch, all right? And for me, when I eat breakfast or brunch, I like having something sweet and I like having something salty or savory. In Hawaii, I could easily get a pancake from any IHOP I went to and also get a plate of fried rice as well. They don't really do that. They don't have fried rice readily available in the continental United States of America, so I had to get something else. Went to Cheesecake Factory, got a breakfast burrito, and then I wanted to try something a little different, and I seen that they had lemon ricotta, right? Is that right, Joe? Ricotta pancakes. And I'm like, you know what? I want to try something new. I don't really go for the ricotta cheese thing, but if it's at the Cheesecake Factory, how can it be bad? So I tried it, and it was delicious. It was amazing. They also had these candied lemon zest pieces on top of it. It was great. So I thought, why, if I loved it so much, why not make it at home? And that's exactly what I did. All right, follow me on this one. It's pretty crazy. So first, I started with the dry ingredients, right? 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sifted that in there. Pretty easy. Then 1/4 cup of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. I mixed all the dry ingredients together till they are well mixed. Very nice and smooth, no clumps or anything like that. And then I did my wet ingredients for the pancakes. So that's 2 eggs, lightly beat at room temperature. They're at room temperature. 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of full fat ricotta cheese, 1 and 1/2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. And then I mixed those together into the bowl until they're nice and smooth. Took a little bit to get the clumps out of the cheese, but it was worth it. I mixed that up. And then I mixed both of them together, mixed the wet into the dry. I didn't want to when you do this recipe, you do not want to over mix at this point. You want to mix until the flour is covered, basically. Make sure the flour is wet and it's mixed in, but you don't want to over mix it. When you mix it up together, you want to add in the lemon, right? The lemon juice and the lemon zest. And that was like 1/4 cup of lemon juice and like 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Used about 3 lemons. You can use 2 to 3 lemons to get exactly what you need from that. And then after that, I mixed it and folded it in. And after that, I got my griddle. You can cook it however you normally cook pancakes. This is from here on. It's like a regular pancake recipe. So that's what I did. Used a griddle, got the temperature up, put them on there. And I was very patient. You gotta be I get impatient when I make pancakes sometimes because I want to flip it, but so you just gotta wait. You gotta wait till they're cooked, fully cooked on one side and nice and crispy, and then you can flip them like I did right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. This recipe is so simple. It's so simple. It's so easy, but it's so delicious. And I always suggest maple syrup when you eat these pancakes. It's gonna taste so good. You're gonna taste the lemon, and it's gonna be delicious. I put a couple blueberries in there because they taste great, and a little powdered sugar just for cosmetic use only, just so you guys can think it looks really badass. And that's what I came up with right there. All right, yeah, that was pretty much it. Definitely try the recipe out if you like it. Let me know what you think. It's really easy. It's really good. But if you can, try it at Cheesecake Factory too. All right, I love that place. It's great. It's great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be doing more videos, so keep an eye out for them, all right? St. Antonio in this place, all right? You guys have a great day.
Final!